Calc review number 58. Solve the quadratic inequality and graph the solution set on a number line. Express the solution set in interval notation. And you can see our problem has two binomials multiplied together. X minus 7 times x plus 3 is greater than 0. If you FOIL this out, you get the quadratic equation x squared minus 4x minus 21 is greater than 0. I know this is a parabola, and since students struggle with this, we're going to begin with a graph. On my graphing calculator, this is the window that I use. I went negative 10 to 10 and negative 30 to 20, and you can see the parabola in blue there. And I think the key to doing well in these questions is thinking about what this means, less than 0. Well, less than 0 essentially means negative. So we need to determine, what the interval is that gives us all this stuff below the x-axis, which essentially is another way of saying I need to figure out where this thing crosses the x-axis in this position and in this position. So we have one positive and one negative. Well, that's pretty easy because if the function is 0, it's already factored. So you want to almost think of it like x minus 7 times x plus 3 is equal to 0, like we did on some of the previous problems, which gives you x is equal to 7 and x is equal to negative 3. And that should make a lot of sense because negative 3 and 7 are in those positions. Since this says less than, I'm sure greater than 0, we can't include it. So we want everything from negative 3 to 7, but not including those two numbers. That's why we're using parentheses.